again, I'm Clyde Tilsley, I'm your commentator here today. Andy Gray is alongside me. It's too early in the season to be thinking of anything other than getting points on the board and seeing where they take you, but you don't want to be playing catch-up later on if you can help it.
No, you want to come out the traps and you want to be flying, you want to hit the ground running at the beginning of the season.
Belletti. Fred. It's a fine header. It's Ronaldo now. And now Roberto Carlos. Alessandro. Nothing much gets past him. Putting together some good moves here. There's a good understanding in their play at the moment. Belletti. Now, will he finish this one? Alessandro. That was a little optimistic, shall we say? Just intercepted, saw that coming. Ronaldo. That's going to be a goal kick. Seeing if they can make progress down the left. It's difficult to pick up when he moves a little deeper like this. Defenders don't know whether to go with him or not. Gets the ball out on the flank. Deco. Fred. It's going to be a throw-in. Deco just kept it in. This is Ronaldo. Fred. Belletti. Deco. Neat touch. Fred. In it comes. Produces nothing more than a goal kick. Deco. Reached out his arm there to stop the ball. Referee had to give a free kick.
Well, he's lucky. He could have had a yellow card for that, but it's a free kick for handball.
Belletti! He saw what was happening and got to it quickly. He's got a chance here. Goal! Oh, so well taken!
Well, that's why he's so good. He's just deadly from there.
It's a lead, a slender lead. The game is still very much in the balance. It's far from settled. Underway again. It's now 1-0. Alessandro. Advantage played, no whistle. Does have aerial ability. It's Ronaldo now. Making himself difficult to mark here. They don't know who should pick him up. His passing's good there. Roberto Carlos now. Won the ball back out there. Cut that out well, didn't he? Finding their men well, aren't they? Alessandro. Ronaldo. Just cut the ball out there. It will be a free kick. Directs the ball with his head. Ronaldo now. Now here's an opening. He's got away from them. He's through on goal. Good cover back there. Not too many goals to tell you about. The score at half-time is 1-0.
I just think the teams have got to be more adventurous in the second half. Too much of this game's been played in midfield.
All the players are back out there. The game is back underway. Belletti. Trying to make the most of the wings. Bender just cleared it there. Throw in coming. Deco just managed to prevent it from crossing the line. They've got a good understanding, these two. They dovetail well. Just dropping a little deeper here, looking for space. He can do a lot better than that.
Well, the least said about that attempt, the better, I think.
Who's the keeper looking for here? Stole the ball there. No, I don't mind that in a referee. There was no advantage. He's pulled it back for the foul now. He's going to try. And give it back to the keeper. Deco. And the attack breaks down. There's some promise about this attack now. Good header. Alessandro. Let's relieve the pressure. The ball out into touch. And the manager has made his first change of the night.
They were beginning to look a little leggy, and it's an ideal time to bring on the substitute.
Play some good stuff at the back. And they lose it out wide. Alessandro. Handball given there, it was obvious.
Well, you know, it's one of those things. He sticks his hand out. The ball did strike it. I think it was fair. Good decision, handball.
Biding their time, keeping the ball. You'd always back him to win a challenge, wouldn't you? Ronaldo. Deco. That was well cut out. He's shaking his markers time and time again with his movement. Very clever. Good football from the defender. Possibilities here. Can they take advantage? Pass was a bit too obvious. Can he put it away? Goalkeeper just got a glove on it. Not too many better headers of a ball, you know. They've got the ball away, upfield. Alessandro. Not many better in the air than him. They managed to deal with him there. And a free kick given by the referee, I think. Yes, he has. Looking for a way through. It's another good tackle. Made a good tackle there. Fred. He knocked that upfield very nicely. The players are about to learn the time that the referee wants added on. Seizes on the ball, wins possession. Bit isolated out there and lost it. Distributes the ball well, read that well, great positional play. Ronaldo now. Fred. Got to that well, has the situation under control. There's the whistle, they've done it. Only just, but that's as valuable a win as any.
Well, I'm not surprised they haven't scored against this defence today.
Hope you enjoyed the game. Andy and I certainly did. Hope you all had fun too at home. I will see you all next time.